Alright, what's up people? So I just want to make things clear before the video actually starts. This isn't meant to make fun of this particular person. All it is me making a song using the words that she spoke in the video, nothing more, nothing less. Hopefully you enjoy it, and if you do, drop a like on the video, share it with your friends and families, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Okay, bye.
Hello, you guys keep asking me right, keep asking me right, keep asking me where I am from, whatever, I'm tired to reply in the box. So I'll just let you know here that whatever I am from Shillong, I'm staying here in Shillong, whatever, whatever. Whatever. There's my village, my Shillong village. There's my village, my whatever. There's my village, my Shillong village. There's my village, my whatever. Whatever. Shillong village. There's my village, my Shillong village. There's my village, my whatever. There's my village, my Shillong village.